I welcome you once again to my YouTube channel. So today I want us to look into how to read tape measurement correctly. Okay? Have you been to sites? Have you tried to take your measurement and you find it very difficult to take it? You don't know how to read the calibrations of this tape. Or you are a workman, a carpenter, or an enthusiast in the field of construction, or you want to just take measurement and send to your carpenter so that the person will construct something for you and you find it very difficult. So I want you to watch this video very well because I have many updates for you. I'm going to teach you how to read your tape measurement correctly, even like a pro. So after today, I will assure you, or I'm assuring you, that you will begin to read your tape measurement like a pro. Okay? So if you want to read your measuring tape at site, so the first thing you have to note, you have to check the calibrations of your measuring tape. Okay? So let's use this one as a case study. As you can see, these ones are being calibrated in feet. Okay? This is 1 foot. I hope you can see it, 1 foot. This is 2 feet. Hope you can see it. So in the line of feet, there are inches. 2 inches, 5 inches, 10 inches. Hope you can see it. So they are being calibrated in inches this side and in feet. So this line, these ones are centimeter. They are being calibrated in centimeter. This line, centimeter, 10 centimeter, 20 centimeter. Okay, hope you can see it. 25 centimeter, as the case may be, as you can see it. So in the line of centimeter and meter. Okay, so you can still find their meters in the line of centimeter because 100 centimeter makes 100 centimeter makes 1 meter. Hope you can see it. So the first thing you have to note, you have to check and observe the calibrations of your measuring tape. If you cannot observe and check it very well, you'll find it very difficult to read your measurement. As a workman at site, these are the first thing you have to note. Okay? Alright, please, I want you to still go on with me. Make sure you watch this video very well. Okay? And please, if you find this video interesting, please ensure you subscribe because there is a lot of construction tips for you. So as we go on, the second thing you have to note in reading your tape measurement, listen very well, is know your conversions. Okay? From one unit to the other. Your conversion from one unit to other. Okay? So, as you can see in this tape measurement, this is 1 foot. I hope you can see it. So, feet and the inches are related. Okay? As you can see, 12 inches makes 1 foot. 12 inches makes 1 foot. That is know your conversions very well. As you can see. Okay? So let me write it on the board. 12 inches equal to 1 foot. Okay? Then second thing you have to note, centimeter and the meters. Do you understand me? So know your conversion from one unit to other. 100 centimeter, because this line are centimeters. 100 centimeter makes 1 meter. 100 centimeter makes 1 meter. Please know it very well. Okay? 100 cm equal to 1 meter. So you should know your conversions. Do you understand me? Know your conversions very well. These are very, very important things you have to note. So guys, please, are you an enthusiast in the field of construction, a student, a homeowner? Please, I want you to subscribe to my YouTube channel because I have a lot of construction tips for you. Do you understand me? So, right, let us look into some examples on how to read these tape measurements at site or even at home. Maybe you want to take your measurements at home or at site. Let's look into how you can take the measurement accurately. Okay, so number one is 2.5 feet. How do you read it and you take your measurement accurate? How? So I want you to watch this video. Look at this tape. This one is 1 foot. This place is 2 feet. Hope you can see it. Then you count. These ones are inches. I have told you before. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What it means, 2 feet 5 inches. 2 feet 5 inches. Then it becomes 2.5 feet. Do you understand me? I hope you are getting it correctly. Okay. So another example is 1.5 meter. How do you take 1.5 meter at site or at home or anywhere? So these things I'm teaching you is very, very important. How to read your tape measurement correctly. So 1.5 meter, I have told you before that this side are being calibrated in centimeter for this particular type of tape. I hope you can see it. 20 centimeter, 30 centimeter, and I have told you also that 100 centimeter makes 1 meter. Okay, then 1.5 meter. How do you take the measurement? Okay, assuming you want to take your measurement correctly, this 100 centimeter here is 1 meter. I hope you can see it. This is 1 meter. Then go on. This 150 here is 1.5 meter. Okay, I hope you can see it. I hope you can see it very well. Okay, so these are the way you have to take your measurement. So all right, I want us to take the dimension of this board as a typical something that we need to do, typical practical we need to do. Maybe this board is one of your utilities at home and you want to take the dimension and send to one of your workmen so that the person will construct something for you. So how do you take it? Okay, maybe the person requires that you have to take the dimension in meters. Okay, so the width, so I want you to read it for me. So 0.43 meters. Okay, 0.43 meter. So this is this place. Okay, so the length, you can quickly take it. So the length is 0.62 meters. Okay, hope you can see it. So that is it. There's no other magic. These are the ways you have to take your measurement, accurate measurement at your home or at site. Please, if you find this video interesting, ensure you subscribe to my YouTube channel because I have a lot of construction tips for you. Do you understand me? So let me see your likes and your comments in the comment section. Thank you.